Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to display recent blog posts with thumbnail images on the right sidebar. Here you can see this one is the default recent posts widget that I have used in sidebar in my WordPress website. So if I go here in widgets, here you can see this one is the widget page interface. So if you want to use this interface, then you need to install a plugin that's called classic widgets, so you can install this plugin free of cost. And now, to display thumbnail images in your recent blog posts, you need to go back and let me delete this one. Now I need to go here in plugin sections and we need to install a new plugin. Here you can search for recent posts widget. So you will get different plugins. You can try one by one, but the first one you can use it now. And here you can see 1 lakh plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So after activation, you can go back to the widgets page, appearance, then widgets. Now scroll down and here you can see some additional widgets are added on this page. So this one is the widget that we are going to use. You can expand it, and now you need to select the position, right sidebar, left, header, footer. So this one. Then after that, click on add widget. You can also use drag and drop functionality. Just you can drag it and then you can leave it anywhere. So I want to drag it on the top, this one. So search option will be on the top, then this one will be second. So after that, here you can select the number of blog posts that you want to display on sidebar. So for example, I want to display 20. Then scroll down and here you can see this is some additional configuration. So after that, you can select the categories, then save. After that, make sure that you have added blog posts featured images. So if we go on this page, for example, I want to add a featured image on this blog post. So let me go and scroll down. Here you can see this one. You can go and select the image, then scroll up and click on update button. Okay, that's done. Now let's go and reload this page. Now here you can see this one is the final result. In this way you can easily display recent blog posts in your WordPress website.